to help myself alone to the healing waters where the angels swam. I've been down and out for many years now, and I suffer in my body and my mind as I lie beside unmoving water of this healing pool whose walls I cannot climb. Many others who press before me, so when the angel moves the waters in his time, Lord, I need your loving kindness. Touch my body and my mind. Lord, I need your healing rain, your healing rain. 'Cause you're so able, Lord, and I'm so unable. I need you now, and I cry out to the Lord of life with all my heart and mind. Lord, bring healing down and look down from heaven. One more healing touch, Lord, send your healing waters many times. Stir the healing waters. I cry out to you, touch so many others in my way. Send your healing touch. Now I can pray. Lord, let it rain. Let it rain. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. Start the healing waters. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. Let it rain, Lord. Open, let your healing waters flow. Let your healing waters flow. Let your healing waters flow now.
Open the floodgates of heaven.
Open the floodgates of heaven. Rain, rain, rain. Let it rain, oh Lord.
Open the floodgates of heaven.
Lord, let your healing waters flow. Let your healing waters flow now.
Open the floodgates of heaven.
Open the floodgates of heaven. Rain, rain, rain. Let it rain, oh Lord.
Open the floodgates of heaven.
Lord, Lamb of God, start the healing waters. To the Lord of life with all my heart and mind. Lord, bring healing down and look down from heaven. One more healing touch,
Floodgates of
Lord, send your healing waters many times. Stir the healing water. I cry out to you, touch so many others in my way. Send your healing touch.